Hello ka-teams! Welcome back to our mini vlog. Day 2 sa Lake Tahoe. Sa Reno Nevada po pala kami nag-stay. Tapos nagda-drive na lang papuntang Lake Tahoe for like 30 to 45 minutes for us, I remember. Mas mura po kasi yung mga hotels doon sa Reno Nevada compare sa mga hotel dito sa may Lake Tahoe. Pero syempre kung may budget naman kayo, why not na mag-stay sa Lake Tahoe, 'di ba? Kasi maganda naman talaga. Kung hindi nyo pa po napapanood yung previous vlog namin dito sa day 1 sa Lake Tahoe, panoorin nyo na po para makita ninyo ang napakagandang view ng Lake Tahoe. At kung hindi nyo pa po napapanood, ilalagay ko ang link sa description.
I got zero time for this. God.
O si, pag nandito ka sa maaraw, mainit pag nandito ka.
Ah, the floor feels good.
Yay! Ang ganda! So,
May nawawala pong
may taga-probinsya po dito. Nasa beach naka-jacket, tapos naka-sapatos. Para
nawawala po.
Manong, anong binibenta mo? Manong, anong binibenta nyo po? Manong, huwag na tayong bumili dyan man, kung ano man binibenta niyan. Manong, may daing na pusit po ba kayo dyan sa bag?
Asa na sila, ano?
How's the water, Alan?
Very good water, man.
It's not salty.
Nah. Oh, that's how the water feels. Is it really? Yeah. That's the water.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That's fucking cold. Oh shit!
Oh no.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Where are you going? Controlling it. Who's controlling the thing?
I am.
Okay.
Hi, kids!
Can we go this? Which side?
I'm the only person waddling.
Okay. We have to go with them.
So here's our situation.
I don't know how to swim, you guys,
Manang, you have life vest. So who's controlling?
Controlling the boat.
The boat? The boat? Stingray daw.
This one, no. I don't know. How can I put it? It's fine.
Yeah, I'm doing vlog.
I'm gonna die, you guys. Ang ganda ko dito sa
Yeah, too much, ang ganda. So we're paddling, ayan. So we have, ano ba tawag dito? An hour to rent this. So, kung mapapadpad po kayo dito sa Lake Tahoe, this is highly recommended.
Anong resort ito na
Ano nga ba yun?
It started with a C.
I can't,
Or resort in Lake Tahoe.
yata.
Yeah, it started
So it's like $12 entrance fee, and that's for the whole day.
And then, bahala na po kayo kung anong ilang oras kayo
Yeah.
stay dito.
Tapos meron na rin pong restaurant dito kung saan pwedeng bumili ng pagkain, pero
If you're on a budget,
Yes.
you can bring your own food. Of course.
at dahil po kami ay mga Ilocana, so nagdala kami ng sarili namin food. Oh, so ang ganda doon, no? So kung nakikita niyo po yung mga puti na yan,
That's
ice pa rin yan, snow. Ayan, so pabalik tayo. Diyan po tayo galing kanina.
Guys, go!
Ay! Ay! Alan. So ayun, may mga bahay dyan. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda dito talaga. Manang, it reminds me of Catalina. Catalina Island, no?
I think we have to go back.
Yeah, we have to go back there.
Yeah.
Where? Catalina? Wow.
Maliliit kasi yung...
Yeah, I know. At saka hindi natin appreciate kasi ano tayo, yung back and forth ka agad, yeah.
I think it's a break, a day trip.
Yeah, we should do like a weekend.
Or katulad ng...
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Janal!
Alam mo nang we're going towards the stingray.
Let me see that. What is that? Let me, I want to see. It's a rock.
It's a whale. Yeah, no, your mom said it was a stingray.
It looks like a stingray. Come.
It's a whale, Manong. So, ayan. Ang ganda. So, this is also a nice, tawag doon, exercise. Pinagpawisan ako. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go to the deep.
You have to go turn around.
Why? This is more safer.
I think it's a good turn.
Wow. Gusto ng dalawang kabataan naman dito.
Biglang umayaw mo. Hanggang tuhod lang oh.
Ano silbi ng mga taba-taba mo sa katawan?
Tanginan lamig.